Meaning of Fourth Estate.
Fourth Estate.
Fourth Estate.
Fourth Estate.
Fourth Estate. The term Fourth Estate refers to the role played by the press as an important and influential part of government and society. It originated in the 18th century, when the three traditional estates of the realm clergy, nobility, and commoners were joined by a fourth estate representing journalists and the media. Today, the press is considered a vital check on government power, and its role in informing, educating, and shaping public opinion has only grown stronger with the advent of digital media. The Fourth Estate continues to play a critical role in maintaining a free and democratic society.